All right, so this is my speed test on the network I call Yavin 4. This is the Yavin 4. And that is the Xfinity. Yeah, that's right. That's Xfinity through the router, through the new router. So now we're going to go through the old router, and that's also Xfinity. And we're going to test this and see if there's any difference. And oh yeah, you can already tell that this network is much slower. We went like from the 230s to like down to 86. Pretty sure. And then we're gonna test the upload speed. And the upload speed's actually about the same. So that's pretty cool. It's good to know. Not uploading anything right now, so that's good. All right, so then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna check out this one is the T-Mobile 5G internet. So we're gonna test this one now. Let's see how crazy fast this is. And this has a lot to do with location. So the download speed isn't, well, actually, wow. The download speed's significantly faster than the Xfinity modem. Significantly faster. Now the upload speed, oh, it torches it. Just torches it. So there's the difference right there between the 5G internet and the Xfinity Comcast. Just crazy fast. All right, I hope this helped you. If it did, if it had any value, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Love to hear from you. Thanks.